Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka SBI General Insurance ka waino ka company insurance ka bahetam hagari India haga singi thodieng kata ka arfun riu tarik unaitung arjar khat khandai kalasdang ye ka Jingdonkam Paidbah Halor ka insurance ha district library auditorium hall ka badon hasor nongpo jongari Bhoi district yakani ka program ai jing hikai la play Paidbah da u IRDAI member distribution ka SBI General Insurance u Sujay Banerjee harangkat ka jingye don lang ka deputy commissioner jongari Bhoi ikong RM Kurba ki head officer na Ribhoy bar ki Paidbah nong seksyon ka Ribhoy habakaren hakani kasngi upushan Mahapatra MD bat CEO SBI General Insurance ulaong baka insurance kade ka way na kapang kabakham syam jinjar ban Pynsngewthuh ya ki babon ki Paidbah ki ba ompat tip kay ka jingmentoy baki yo na ka insurance bat kani ka program ai jing hikai la play Paidbah kalong sibenta ban Pynsngewthuh sya ki Paidbah kay ka jingkordor bandon ya ka insurance ula pensyairu halor ka hok bat ka jingkit kle badai bandon ka policy ha ka insurance ka bayarap ya ki Paidbah lada ki kendo ha ka no ka jing namar kumbalong haduk menta ka megalaya kadang poitang 0.04% ki badon ya ka insurance.
As we all know that Bhoi district is an aspirational district, and financial inclusion being one of the sector which is very important for grading the aspirational district's performance. It is indeed my pleasure that you have chosen our district to launch this program of awareness in insurance, because this is area where we really need to encourage our public. We would definitely be part and parcel of your program, and we assure you that we will be giving you a left hand and right hand from all my officers up to the foot soldiers which are the ground servants. For the large section of the population, there is a general lack of awareness about the various financial risk mitigation techniques. While there is a greater recognition of life insurance in comparison to the non-life insurance offering like crop, micro insurance, motor, health, personal accident, home travel, etc., they are not understood or recognized as risk transfer method by common people. Therefore, we need to educate all generations, right from the students in the school up to the elders, about the importance of providing insurance, of initiating insurance for ourselves, so that we may be able to overcome any kind of stress related, should there be any kind of accident that occur to us or any loved ones. We also need another important step to bring in the affordability to ease the distribution of payment in insurance transaction for the rural population. Insurance premium is looked upon as an additional expenditure, more often than not an avoidable expenditure, rather than an investment for protection by the rural folks. To overcome this mindset, regulators should look at simplifying the premium payment terms and provide relevant and affordable methods like daily, weekly, seasonal payment plans linked to one's earning pattern.
Why insurance is essential? All of us have risks which we carry on a day-to-day basis. It could be risk of life, it could be risk of health, it could be risk of your property, risk of your motor car, etc. Risk of your crop, which is becoming very, very important, because, and in all of them, one important factor is that in case any of this risk translates into an actual eventuality, the entire family's cash flows get upset. Just think of a situation where somebody is diagnosed with a critical illness and person has to travel outside Northeast for the specialized treatment. How much of pressure it brings on the family. We have umpteen examples where families run down their savings, get into debt, sell some of their assets for this expense. Similarly, if the breadwinner in a family dies in any incident or even a natural death, the cash flow is affected. The family has so many other things to look after. Education of the children, where will that money come from? Crop, on which the income of the large part of our population depends, is subject to natural conditions. Some years there would be heavy rains leading to floods, other years there would be drought, hardly any water. In both cases the farmer is exposed to loss of income. So, but all these facets, all these risks actually can be transferred.